Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to gift your Axie to another account using your mobile phone. To do this, you'll need to download the Ronin Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you have retrieved your wallet, open the app and log into your account. Here, you will see your total balance, and under will be the list of tokens and collectibles you own. To gift your Axie to another account, you go to the Apps tab and click on app.axie. Then you will be redirected to the app.axieinfinity.com. Click this bag icon to go to your inventory. Here you will see the list of Axies you have. Select the Axie you want to gift and click Manage Axie. Scroll down. Here you will see a send, sell, breed, gift, and release buttons. Click on gift, and here you enter the Ronin address where you want to send your Axie. If your Axie is also level 9, you can ascend it to level 10. You just click ascend here. By ascending, you will sync your level to the blockchain network and continue earning AXP. Ascending fee is free as of the moment. Tap on Ascend Axie. Then just refresh the page to see the result. Great, it's already level 10. That's how you gift or ascend your Axie using a mobile device. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Web3 and NFT video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.